Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the language in the Joom app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and the growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Joom app. On the bottom right corner, tap on your profile picture and tap on the top right corner on this setting icon, and here you will have like in the middle, app language. Tap on the app language, and here you can search for your language. For example, English. I tapped on it and it's changed for English, or any other language. Here you can see. And if you tap on it, then you change to that language. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.